This video is for marketing teams, agencies, and all the marketing freelancers out there. Because today, I'm gonna show 5 real-life case studies on how ChatGPT multiplied my productivity on marketing tasks at least 10 times. What could have been one full week of work, these 5 tasks took me maybe 5 or 4 hours to complete. Hi, my name is Andrew Zemmers and you're watching What Works in Marketing YouTube channel. This is the place where you get proven tactics, strategies, and new exciting findings in digital marketing so you can grow your online business smart and live the life you want. So today I have 5 case studies that you can copy and paste to your workflow and save tens of hours every week. First is email newsletters, then there's full product description for new product, then there is tagline or headline for a new product. Number 4 is 5 email sales sequence, and 5 is a press release. All these 5 things we've already done for my client JZ Microphones, and all these 5 things already been published with good results. So this stuff works, and this is not just theory. Let's dive in. Now, the first case study, the first example is newsletters. So basically, we had 2 YouTube videos. In total, they are around 30 minutes long, maybe a bit more. And I wanted to combine 2 YouTube reviews, put in one newsletter and send to all the subscribers. The client is JZ Microphones. So I asked ChatGPT first kind of to test. Please describe in 3 to 5 sentences what the video says about these products. Here are 2 videos, and I just wanted to test if the ChatGPT understands what I'm saying. I enabled the VoxScript plugin. This plugin basically reads the links, reads the Google search, reads the YouTube videos. And I saw that the ChatGPT understands the content of the videos. And then I asked a question or gave it a prompt. Okay, now please consider that you are a professional email copywriter. I need email that promotes these both videos. Email goes out to JZ Microphone subscribers. Email must be short and in real human voice. It gave the text. I liked it, but I kind of thought that it lacks the credibility or proof or the testimonial from the host of the video. I asked, can you please cut out short 1-sentence quotes from both of these videos? They must be strong. So again, I never tested ChatGPT and these plugins with videos, and I didn't know if they can actually read or hear or see what the person in the video is saying. And as we see, ChatGPT sees or hears what the host is saying. I had a proof of concept that ChatGPT can read the video. Cool, that's check. Then I had a proof that ChatGPT can see and hear the testimonial from that video and quote it on that email. But third, I really wanted to build the authority for that host, which name is David Gnozzi. And so I tested if ChatGPT understands it. Can you give me a few more lines about host David Gnozzi? It gave me it all. So now I have all 3 elements. And then I gave kind of the ultimate prompt. Now, considering what you know about David and his experience, testimonials about a product, and 2 videos, these are the 3 elements. Please write me an email that promotes not only the videos, but also warms up the audience with the testimonials and builds David authority. Because what's the point of the newsletters without a pre-frame, without building David's authority, without testimonials, and without any summaries from the video? These are very 3 important things. The result is this. The newsletter went out a few weeks ago, and the text was, "I hope your week starts well. I'm thrilled to introduce you to David Gnozzi, a platinum mixing engineer and producer based in LA. With nearly 2 decades of experience in the industry, David is the host of the popular YouTube channel Mixbus TV. David recently reviewed some of our mics and the results were impressive. Here are some highlights from his reviews. There are testimonials. Below are 2 full reviews. And then there's outro, etc." It's a short example, but it took me maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes to create this email. And yes, maybe the text itself is kind of short, but let's keep in mind that I have to watch 30 plus minutes of the YouTube reviews to even start writing the copy and to even start understanding what the reviews are about. So ChatGPT really saved me a couple of hours here. And what I did later is, I know that the proof of concept is here, and then the ChatGPT understands the whole process, and I feed another 2 videos. Basically, I asked, now in the same manner, write me a newsletter for these 2 videos and make sure to also introduce with the YouTube channels/hosts. Again, these are 2 totally different reviews. And again, we used VoxScript plugin. And at the beginning, ChatGPT didn't understand. It still used David Gnozzi's videos, but these are totally different videos from totally different channels and hosts. So I asked again, please write a newsletter about these 2 videos. And this is the result. It's a bit different newsletter with way more text, because now it's not about one channel. The reviews are not from one YouTube channel, but these are like 2 different guys. So again, results are pretty good. All right, let's move to next case study. In this case, it's more like a combination of plenty of things. First is a product description for new product, and then there is a tagline or headline, and then we'll move to sales emails and press release. It's all like from a bigger campaign, but it took me 2 or 3 hours, and I really liked the results, so I really wanted to show it. I gave this prompt. Please take a look at these links about JZ BT microphone. Out of that, please act as a professional copywriter and give me good hooky product description for this product. I want first section that concentrates on benefits of this product, and second section that describes the sound of this current microphone. So I gave the 3 links. Again, it would take probably, 40 minutes to go through the 3 links, read all the stuff, and then kind of, start thinking about it. And ChatGPT, right from the beginning, gave me a good text. First 2 paragraphs is about benefits, and the second section is about sound. And then there's some kind of conclusion. And yeah, I think the text is quite well. Then I moved from the product description to tagline or headline, because I like in every campaign or for every product or for every new product, I like to kind of create good, not very long product description plus a good hooky tagline. And for each product and for each product series, I have a tagline. And that's why I asked, out of this, can you give me a hook or tagline for this new microphone? Here is what I give it. Capture every nuance with the new JZ-BT201. Experience a new level of precision and control. Get ready to be blown away by natural sound and impressive range, etc. And I actually took this headline. Experience a new level of precision and control with the JZ-BT201. Again, this is older model, and I needed to kind of make it work for a newer model. And this is the result. On our product page, this is what ChatGPT wrote. I think it's a quite good text. Plus, here is a new tagline. All right, let's move to case study number 4. The first was newsletter, second is product description, then there is headline or tagline, and number 4 is email sales sequence. This is happening basically in the same chat where ChatGPT gave me product description and a tagline. And now I needed a 5 email sales sequence to kind of push, sell, or launch the product. And the prompt is, or was, now we have a launch sale campaign for this product from May 10th to 16th. I need a 5 email sales sequence to sell as many microphones as we can to our email subscribers. And at the end, I have 5 emails. This is the first email. Then there's second email with the testimonials, as you can see. The third email. Fourth. And I think this is the last one. All right, let's move to last, number 5 case study. And again, it's from the same product launch. And actually the campaign started, we did a nice push, we sold plenty of microphones. And then one of my partners asked, well, could you please send me a press release quickly? And this is what I did. We are in the same chat. Basically, I asked, out of this, please write a press release. Like, let's keep in mind that ChatGPT knows the 3 links that I gave it earlier. It knows like 5-part email sequence, product description, tagline. It knows everything. And now I'm asking for a press release. And this is the press release. So we pretty much copy paste press release. I send it to our partner and it's live here. As you can see, it's one of our partners, Produce Like a Pro, and this is almost the full text. Thanks for watching. I hope you can use one of these 5 examples in your business or for your clients. I really believe that AI tools is the future for marketing teams and agencies, because now we can do the same tasks faster, cheaper, and even better. I will make sure to publish more real-life AI case studies for marketing, so make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, see ya!